As pet owners, we all want the best for our furry friends. From choosing the right food to taking them on walks, we strive to keep them healthy and happy. But did you know that coconut oil can provide a range of benefits for your dog's health? Coconut oil is a natural product that is safe for dogs to consume in moderation. It contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are a type of fatty acid that can provide a range of benefits for your dog's health. One of the main benefits of coconut oil for dogs is that it can improve their skin and coat health. The MCTs in coconut oil can help to moisturize your dog's skin and prevent dryness and itching. It can also help to reduce shedding and promote a shiny, healthy coat. Coconut oil can also be used as a natural moisturizer for your dog's skin. You can apply it topically to dry or itchy areas on your dog's skin to help soothe and moisturize the skin. It's especially helpful for dogs with skin conditions like dermatitis or eczema. In addition to its benefits for skin health, coconut oil can also promote healthy coat growth. The fatty acids in coconut oil can help to strengthen the hair shaft and prevent breakage, leading to a fuller, healthier coat. To incorporate coconut oil into your dog's diet, start with a small amount and gradually increase the dosage. You can mix it with their food or give it to them directly as a treat. Remember to always consult with your veterinarian before making any changes to your dog's diet or health regimen. In addition to its benefits for skin and coat health, coconut oil can also provide digestive benefits for your dog. Yes, coconut oil can potentially help improve your dog's digestion. The MCTs in coconut oil can provide a quick source of energy and may help improve digestive function. In addition, coconut oil has antimicrobial properties that can help to reduce inflammation in the gut and promote a healthy balance of bacteria in the digestive tract. This can be especially helpful in dogs with digestive issues such as diarrhea, constipation, or inflammatory bowel disease. It can also help to support a healthy immune system. Coconut oil can also be used to support your dog's endurance during long walks or runs. By providing a sustained source of energy, coconut oil can help your dog maintain their stamina and reduce fatigue. MCTs are quickly metabolized by the body, which means they can provide a quick source of energy for your dog. This can be especially beneficial for active dogs who need a little extra boost to keep up with their activities. In conclusion, coconut oil can provide a range of benefits for your dog's health, from improving their skin and coat to supporting their digestion and immune system. So why not give it a try and see the benefits for yourself? Thanks for watching.